In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn back. Honorable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In linguistics, we commenced the chapter that is known as discourse analysis. Listeners and audience, today our topic is adjacency pair. What is adjacency pair? What are the examples of adjacency pair and what are the three characteristics of adjacency pair? Be with me and listen to this lecture from beginning until end. Listeners and audience, adjacency pair is the type of turn taking. It is the smallest unit of conversation, or it is the smallest unit in conversation. Further explanation of adjacency pair is that it depends upon another utterance. It means the first utterance is related to the next, but the next utterance, it depends upon the first utterance. And such kind of adjacency pairs, they are found in greeting, invitation, requesting, offering, apologizing, etc. Listeners and audience, you know, whenever we are conducting a conversation or a discourse, we need a partner to conduct a conversation. So that's why adjacency pair is one of the type of turn taking. And here one utterance depends upon the another utterance. And they are called adjacency pairs because they are in pairs. And they are the statements and utterances after two different speakers. Listeners and audience, before going to the examples of adjacency pairs, let me first share with you the three basic characteristics of adjacency pairs which make adjacency pair more clear. The first characteristic of adjacency pair is that adjacency pairs, they are two utterances. This is the first characteristic. They are two utterances. What does it mean? It means in such utterances include two speakers. The first utterances would be the utterance of speaker A, and the second utterance would be the utterance of speaker B. Okay, so the first characteristic is clear. Then the next characteristic is that they are adjacent utterances. What does it mean? It means one utterance follows other, or one utterance immediately follows other utterance. And the third characteristic of adjacent pair is that the adjacent pairs, they are the utterances of two different speakers, and each speaker has a different utterance. Listeners and audience, now let's come to the examples. As I told you that they are found in greeting. For example, when we say in greeting, the speaker A say Assalamu alaikum, the speaker B say Wa alaikum assalam. This is first example. It is also found in greeting if you are talking about other culture. For example, other culture, like they say hi, hello. So hi, one say hi and another say hello. It's also greeting. And it's also found in offering. For example, would you like to take a cup of tea? It can be rejection or exception. Yes. Would you like to take a cup of tea? Yes, why not? Or would you like to take a cup of tea? No, thank you.